how to change home screen wallpaper only on the iPhone 17 series. So first, let's return back to your home screen, and in here tap on settings. Now in settings, go all the way back to the main settings page, and from here we scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Next, you want to tap on the right panel. The left panel is for the lock screen, the right panel is for the home screen. So tap on customize button. From here you can choose a color, a solid color, so you can tap on it to select a color. Tap on the add button again to select a different color. So here I can choose a different background color and then tap on done. Here at the bottom you can tap on the scrubber to drag it to the right or to the left to increase the color intensity. So if I tap on done, you can see this is a solid color. Okay, so if you want to add in a photo, a pictures from your photo library, you want to use it as your background, you can tap on photo. Tap on the add button will allow you to select a different photo. So here you go down to the bottom corner and tap on that. Then tap on choose photo. From here you can select a photo, and then tap on the more button here will allow you to use the extend wallpaper feature. The extend wallpaper features will have a gradient blur at the top downs. So if you want to use that gradient blur features, you can turn on extend wallpaper or you can switch it off. Now in here you have a different color style. We've got natural, black and white, duotone, color washed. So select a style and then tap on done. And then tap on done again to finish the change. So here we have successfully changed the home screen wallpaper on the iPhone 17 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.